model, 2010 Ford Transit 2.4 TDCI 115 PS 350 Sapphire 17-seater minibus long MOT nice. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 119984. MOT, the 5th of July 2025. Engine, 2401 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ-C. Transmission, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest minibus which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740 1